In this, we have 3 topics to do. One is document production, data manipulation, that's MS Access, and presentation. So here we have set of files that we have to make sure you have a folder on your desktop when you're sitting in the exam. Always verify whether you have all the files from here in the folder. Okay, now let's go for task 1. So this is here to create evidence document for ourselves. Open the file M222 evidence. Yep. And we have to give a name, center number, candidate number. I have a folder of the files, the one we have of this February March 2021. Yeah, here. So this is one we have to open evidence document, and we have to give our name, center number, and candidate number, and that should be appearing on every page. Yeah, so for that we have to give like this. You see that, just give your name, here center number and candidate number on evidence document like this, right? And next, save this document in your work area as this name. Yep, you have to keep the name, and you have to add more your candidate number. Yeah, let's just save this file. Just go to file, save as, and as what we have to save here, see, screenshot. They didn't ask us to save as per the word processor, the one we use. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go to your folder, select your folder, and I'm going to just add here candidate number, right? Okay, so just give some fake candidate number for now. Yeah, and they didn't ask us to change the format of the file type, but just always keep it in WAV format. It's easy to edit and maintain. Fine. Okay, save. Look at that. Now, so this is done. You will need your evidence document during the examination as we are moving further with the task. You are going to edit a document for a company. Okay, the company uses a corpus house styles for all its documents. Paragraph styles must be created, modified, and applied as instructed. Now, 1. Open the file M222 storage.rtf. RTF stands for rich text format. It is a simple, very light format that holds the data in mainly document type of data where you have lots of text. So let's go for it. Open this, go to your folder. What's that name? Storage, right? Open storage, double click, open. Yep, this is the file storage. Okay, next, the page setup is set to A4 portrait and 2 centimeters margins. Do not make any changes to these settings. The page setup is A4 portrait and 2 centimeters with 2 centimeters margins. They are already set. They are saying, can we check that? Okay, here just go to layout of the page, and then here your size is A4. Yeah, exactly. See, A4 set. Orientation is portrait. Yep. And the margins, go to custom margins. You see here, actually this is in inches. If you want, you can even keep in centimeters. This is nothing but centimeters as well. See, if I change here to cm, you can just make it like this, to cm. If you have any confusion, you can just make it into centimeters. Before it was in inches, right? See, like this, you can make sure you're just using the cm. letters. Okay, same thing, both are same. Next, 3 paragraph styles have already been created. Fine, they have been created. That's a good part of it. Do not make any changes to these unless instructed. Okay, we will not touch unless it is said anything. Save the document in your work area and in the format of the software we opened, and with the name upgrade. Okay, so let's just copy this, select copy, and come to this file. We're going to save with another name. Okay, so go to file, save as, open the folder, and here totally we have to change the name of the folder. Yep, right click and paste, and we even file type we have to change to docx. Yep, okay, you can see there docx. Now take a screenshot to show this file has been saved, including evidence of the file type. Yep, and we have to place it as our evidence 1 there. Okay, now what we're going to do, let's go to our folder. This is 1. Can you see where is my file? This one. Yeah, so we have to take a screenshot of it, and its file type as well should be seen clearly. And for that, what we can do, just take like this in the folder and copy, come to your evidence as evidence 1, paste there, and you can just do a little bit of formatting if you want to look better. And if you want to show off or highlight the file type, yep, you can just even do that. Look at that, what I'm doing. See, yeah, this is my file. Here, no fill, and just change that to a different color, like, yep. Save. Every time you make some editing, better always save it. Number 2, remove any preset page breaks in the document. Okay, preset any page breaks, or we have to check that. Look at that. Just for this, what you have to do, just select the whole document with Control A. Okay, Control plus A, and go to home and click this one. See, this is a symbol of show hide page breaks, and just click once, and you see at the end of each paragraph or the text, you see one symbol of it. If you have in the empty spaces, empty lines, we have to delete them. If it's not there, you just move further and end it and feel happy. Okay, now we don't have anything extra, so just click again to remove all of it. Now save again. Number 3, place in the header your name, center number, and candidate number right aligned. Okay, of this upgrade, you have to just go to this header and home, and you have to go to the right side. This is called right. Okay, here we will place our name. Okay, then center number, just a fake number. Then candidate number, just give some fake candidate number like this towards the right. Done. Save again. Place in the footer automated page numbers center aligned. In the footer, automated page numbers, and that should be center aligned. 3 are there. 3 in the header, your name, center number, candidate number, and right align. There are 4, but here 3. Automated page number, center align. Okay, so come to the file upgrade and go to the bottom of the page, and this is called the footer. Just double click there. You will get the footer visible there, and you have to go to the center, right? Home, and click here center. Now, how to insert the page numbers, automated page numbers we call them. For that, go to insert, and here click parts, field, and here go down to the page, P-A-G-E, page. Look at this, and you can just select any format of the number. I selected this one, and okay, just click outside. Now you see the page numbers everywhere. Yep, look at this. On every page you see the page numbers. Okay, save again. Now let's go to the next. Make sure that the header is right aligned. Yep, just now we did it. It's right aligned. To the page margins, the footer center aligned between the page margins. No other tags or placeholders are included in the headers and footers, and headers and footers are displayed on all the pages. Everything is perfect. Now let's go to 4. Create the following paragraph style, basing it on the following paragraph styles. Number 4. Now from here onwards we're going to create some styles, paragraph styles we call them. There are some steps that we have to follow. Let's do it fast. And here you see this is the name of the style. Just copy it, select and copy and come to upgrade, save once. Now, and to start with the paragraph styles, it is the most important part of this document production. Keep the cursor out of the text at the bottom of the page of all the document. Come to the last page and leave it there, because whatever you prepare the styles or create the styles, that will be applied to the text if your cursor is in between somewhere in the text. Hope you got my point. Now my cursor is here. I'm fine now. We are going to start home. Here, just down arrow, create a style, paste the one you brought, modify, put here. Now serif font, 28 font size. Okay, so here serif, if you don't have, you can go for Microsoft Sans Serif. Okay, and just go to 28 here. Center align, bold, italic, and single line spacing. Center, this is called center align, left and right, and single line spacing it is bold and italics. Space before 0 points and after also 0 points. Okay, for that spacing you have to come here, format, paragraph, and here before 0 point spacing and after 0 point spacing. Okay, and okay. Yep, can you see here, new style is made by me. Okay, this is done. Oh, sorry. Now take a screenshot evidence to show the settings for HD style styles paragraph style, and paste this in evidence document as evidence 2. Okay, so it's screenshot we will take. How do we take the screenshot? Look at this here. Click here in the corner. You will see all the styles which are there, which are extra styles, the one which are there along with the document and the one we created. Okay, the list comes, and the one we just now created is highlighted here, and we will take the screenshot of it. You will include your document, your name there, the name of the document here like this. Copy and come here to your evidence, and this one evidence 2. Yep, and just you can give some format if you want. Yep, done. Did you save it? Always save this. Okay. Now number 5, at the start of the document, enter the title. Okay, copy this at the start of the document, apply this style, the one we created, to this heading. Okay, here go to the top, close this now, and click there, press enter and up arrow. Yeah, and just right click there and paste. You can use the first one, see there. Okay, and select it right now and click add apply our style here. See, number 5 is almost done. It's done actually. Number 6, select the subheading which drive works for you, and the following text up to and follow including the paragraph ending, something like this. Okay, what we have to do with this, change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 1.5 centimeters spacing between them. From where I have to select which drive works for you. Okay, where's that? Which drive works for you? Yep, there's one. From here till this 9.5 millimeters space. Yep, and go to layout, columns, more columns, 2 columns, and the spacing width is 3.1 whatever, but here we have to be careful. This is 1.5 cm. Cm it should be, not inches. Okay, now look at that. From here, okay, save, done. Number 7, apply bullets to the text from here to here. Make sure that you use a square shaped bullet point. The bullets are indented 1.5 centimeters from the left margin. Okay, so let me do these 2 first. Okay, I will select the first one. See, one more time. Where's that? This here. There are 4, and home. Select from this bullet library the square one. Yeah, and there should be 1.5 centimeters from the left margin. In the sense, open this. Can you look at this? Open this, click in the corner, it'll open, and before text it should be 1.5 centimeters there. Here, if you see, 1.5 centimeters from the left margin. Yep, and before text indentation. Okay, done. Now the list is in single line spacing with no space before or after each line as well. Okay, I closed it. Let me open again. Select it and open. Here you see the same stuff what I did before, and before and after there's no spaces and single line spacing as well. Okay, now you're done. Save. More. There is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. Okay, there should be a 6-point. They want a 6-point spacing. Okay, just here what you do, just go to the last and click, press enter and delete that bullet and come to the first left margin, and you can just reduce the size like this to 6 space. Save again. Okay, all done here. Number 8, the paragraph style HD subhead has already been created and applied to the 6 subheadings. Modify this HD subhead paragraph style so only the following formatting is applied. So few styles are already created. We're going to modify it to this. Okay, so let's open this first. Save and put the cursor outside. Okay, just bring it here somewhere out of the whole text at the bottom of the document. Now I'm going to open which one? Subhead. I think this is one subhead. Yep. Okay, what you do, just open it and this right click and modify. Now what I'm going to do, serif 12 center. So if you don't have serif, Microsoft sans serif, and have to go for number 12 and center aligned here. Italics, bold, all capital, single line spacing. Italics, bold, and there is no underline. Remove that, uncheck it, and single line spacing. This is the one, yeah. And all capitals. What's that? Just click format, full font, and here all caps. Okay. Now space before and after. This is 0 and this is 9. Okay. Now format paragraph. This is 0 and this one is 9. Yeah. After. Okay. Done. Where is the cursor? Something happened to the cursors. Save. Now take a screenshot evidence to show you modify the settings of this, and we have to place it as evidence 3. Now what I have to do, just click, right click, modify. They want to see what we did, all of it, and even I'll open font. Okay. Yep. We're here. And take a screenshot of these two together. New, just take both of them in one screenshot and paste in evidence document as okay, and okay, you will get here as number 3 evidence like this, and you can just even format it a bit. Yeah, save it, and this is all done. Okay, so we will have the rest of the steps in the next video.